Jeffrey Epstein didn't just traffic people. He blackmailed world leaders, plotted genetic experiments, and may have been silenced before he could talk. These are the 10 most disturbing facts from the Epstein files that nobody is connecting together. Let's get into it. Number 10. The Whoops emails. Over 400 times in the files, Epstein wrote just one word: whoops. He used it when hearing a woman was assaulted, when RFK Jr.'s wife was found dead, when someone joked about giving him permission to kill. That single casual word reveals how completely normalized depravity had become in his world. Number 9. The Mansion Manual. Epstein's Florida home ran like a cult. His staff manual demanded guns in bedside drawers, specific placement of sex toys, and air conditioning locked at 60 degrees. Most chilling of all, staff were instructed to see nothing, hear nothing, say nothing. This wasn't a home, it was a machine built for control. Number 8. Elon Musk and the Island Party. Between 2012 and 2013, Elon Musk exchanged multiple emails with Epstein's circle. In one message, Musk asked directly, "What day will be the wildest party on your island?" He later claimed he declined every invitation, but the question itself tells you everything about what kind of reputation Epstein's island already had. Number 7. The temple nobody can explain. At the highest point of Epstein's private island sat a strange blue and white striped temple. Inside, 2 mattresses and shrink wrap, scraps of wood, and a zodiac mural on the ceiling. No official explanation has ever been given for what this structure was built for, or how it was actually used. Number 6. The Russian blackmail operation. While installing hidden cameras throughout his properties, Epstein received a cryptic email. "If you want cameras in the house, it must be done discreetly. The Russians may come in handy." Many investigators believe Epstein was capturing compromising footage of politicians and billionaires, then funneling it directly to Russian intelligence as blackmail leverage. Number 5. Maxwell's fertility plan and the missing baby. In 2007, Ghislaine Maxwell emailed Epstein detailed instructions for providing a sperm sample. Victim Virginia Jeffrey later claimed they planned to use her as a surrogate. Separately, a journal entry from another alleged victim describes a pregnancy scan with coded notes and states her newborn was taken from her immediately after birth. Number 4. The baby factory. Epstein openly discussed impregnating up to 20 women simultaneously at his New Mexico ranch, referring to the operation as a baby factory. He shared this plan with prominent scientists and businessmen. While no direct evidence confirms it happened, the fact he proposed it to respected professionals shows the staggering scale of his delusion and power. Number 3. Designer babies and racist eugenics. Epstein funded research into genetically modifying embryos to produce children with more desirable traits. In separate emails, he discussed genetically altering black people to make them smarter, sharing these ideas with a former MIT professor and Noam Chomsky. This wasn't fringe thinking. He was having these conversations with some of the world's most respected intellectuals. Number 2. Steve Bannon called him the devil. In a video interview released within the files, Steve Bannon asks Epstein directly whether he believes he is the devil himself. Epstein smirks and says, "No, but I have a good mirror." Bannon pushes harder, saying Epstein has all the attributes. Epstein's final answer: "The devil scares me." He wasn't joking. Number 1. He was about to talk. Less than 2 weeks before his death, Epstein's lawyers met with federal prosecutors to discuss full cooperation with the FBI. Documents reference talks about a possible resolution, suggesting Epstein was ready to name names. Within days, he was dead. Whether that's coincidence or not, the people he would have named are still free today. Every single one of these facts is documented, and yet the full picture remains buried. If this opened your eyes, share it before it disappears, and watch our next video on the single mistake that unraveled Epstein's entire operation.